Amazon dropshipping involves listing products for sale on Amazon without holding inventory. Here's a concise guide. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up for an Amazon seller account. Choose between an individual or professional account, considering your sales volume. Research profitable products. Identify products with high demand and profit potential. Use tools like Django Scout or Helium 10 to analyze market trends and competition. Source suppliers. Find reputable suppliers on platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, or through wholesale distributors. Ensure reliable shipping and quality products. List products on Amazon. Create product listings on your Amazon seller account. Optimize titles, descriptions, and images for better visibility and sales. Price competitively. Set competitive prices considering product costs, fees, and potential profits. Regularly adjust prices based on market dynamics. Manage orders and customer service. When a customer places an order, purchase the product from your supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Manage customer inquiries and provide excellent service. Monitor and optimize. Regularly analyze your Amazon dropshipping business. Monitor product performance, adjust listings, and explore new opportunities to optimize your store.